subhanahu wa ta'ala talks about in Surah Ar-Rum, He says, surely in the variance of your tongues and your complexions and in the heavens and the earth are signs for people who think. So Allah relates the tongues. This is called tibaq in Arabic, it's a type of antithesis where you use opposites. He talks about tongues and colors, right? Like our skin color and our tongue. And then he talks about heavens and earth. So there's a relationship between tongues and heaven and colors and earth. The reason tongues come from heaven because allama, Allah taught human beings, imprinted in them language. That's literally what it means. Allama means to imprint in a human being. This is what Chomsky calls the universal grammar that humans all share, that we all have the ability to learn language. And then the complexions come from the earth because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that Adam was created from all the topsoil of the earth, from the white, the black, the brown, the yellow, the red. So you get all these variances in human complexions because Adam was created from udma in Arabic means topsoil. So Adam means the one created from topsoil. So all humans have these different complexions that are found in, you've seen white soil, pure white. And then you see red soil, you see yellow soil, black, ebony black. So complexions are related to earth and language is related to heaven. Language is meaning, complexion is sensory. So there's a relationship between meaning and sensory. They're joined in the human being. What is significant and what is palpable. What we understand and what we see, touch, and feel. So the sensory and the meaning are gathered in these two phenomena. The phenomena of language and body. So the essence of the human being is language. And that's why the definition, you see, definition in logic always gets to the essence of something. When you define a term, you're getting to the essence of a term. When you describe something, it has to do with attributes. So when you talk about essence, what is the essence of God? What's the essence of God? Existence. That's the essence. That God is. And then you have attributes. He's merciful. Those describe God. But the essence is being. There's no description for being. We can't describe being. Well, we're contingent beings. You see, we have being also, and but it's not our essence. Because we're contingent. So what is the essence of man? And if you know the logical definition of man, you'll know what the essence of man is. What is the essence of man? What defines the human being? Well, animals forget too. Other animals. There's something specific to the human being which is unique. Rational. That's why in logic we're called the rational animal. But what did they call that in Arabic? The speaking animal. Hayawan an-natiq. Do you see? Because the essence of language is what? Rationality. Language is meaningful. So the essence of the human being is language. And that's why when you judge a person by their color, it's so wrong. Because you're judging them by something that's incidental to their nature. Whereas when you judge them by what they believe, by how they speak, by what they say, whether they're truthful, whether they're virtuous, whether they stand for the truth, that's how human beings should be judged. That's why Dr. King talked about being judged by the content of character. How do you know the content of character? By the essence of the person. What is the essence? Their belief. Because that's what's going to manifest from them. And so that's what he's talking about here. Getting to this essence of the human being.